we'll put drip edge, and then we got to finish the back of the, we got to put trim over here too. I guess we could do the trim over here. Gotta do trim down there. We got a lot of caulking to do. Not a ton of stuff. There's not a ton of stuff other than trim, caulking. Ladder is only S-M-A-R-T. Smart. Or as Homer would say, S-M-R-T. Would judge me if I brought it. You know, I've never shot a deer with a bow. Maybe this one. Neither have I. No? You could have though. See, I've never been. Well, I guess I could have too. With my. Give me the whole one. The whole one. Yep. It's gonna be that easy, Keith. You saying I would be a great weight? Oh, and you'd be okay. Put a screw in this end, Keith, so it doesn't pop out. This is Jeffrey. Yep. You just gotta. Now you would think it would go in there easily. No. You got all kinds of things in the way. Oh yeah, well yeah. In between kind of a, you sort of want to keep your feet to the center of the panel where the ribs are.
Take them out. Put it in.
Well, I'm just taking all the screws off the front of the panel so we can put the drip edge underneath. No, but what I'm saying is you never want to see the joint when you're looking at the front of the house. I see what you're saying. Yeah. You never. But okay, it's just next one. No, I'll fix it. You just put a line right across here.
Yep.
Just one.
Like on the top?
Yep. And then you just do it like that. Okay.
Gives you a nice corner.
Yeah, it just gives you a nice corner.
So what's the reason for this stuff?
What's that?
What's the reason for this? This is called drip edge?
Yeah, it's called drip edge. It's to protect the fascia, and water, if water goes over, it just kind of kicks out.
I'd have handed it to you.
Oh, sorry. I had to come down and retrieve a screw anyway.
So ideally, this should have gone on before the roof went on?
Oh yeah. This
Yeah,
should have been
before we
the
put the
first
tin on, that should have went around yet. That's what I did in my house, eh? I put that drip edge on first, and then that membrane and tar paper, ice shield, and all that stuff. Eh?
Oh yeah.
Well, I probably have enough. I covered that land fairly well.
Could you give me the impact wrench here, please?
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, if you ain't bleeding, you ain't working.
You ain't bleeding, you're not working.
Well, we have to overlap it underneath there, so I'm going to slide it underneath that one.
Hold it. Brother, hang on. Okay. You got a problem.
Sounds good. There we go.
Going towards you.
Yeah, second. I'll get it underneath here. Make your corner fit.
Whoa. Like we knew what we were doing.
That's scary,
That's
because we don't know what we're doing.
That's exactly right. That is scary.
Like you say, this is how we're doing, it's not a how-to.
Oh, look what he's doing. Butchering.
Like you said, this is not a how-do, it's how we do it. There's probably carpenters out there just crying right now.
Dirty SOB and SOB. Not gonna hurt.
Nope. tell where that pellet fell off there, eh? It's a little kink on the bottom.
Go.
There was just a kink here. I just taken the kink out a little bit. The roof straight as an arrow, so that's how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to put it on before, so you'd nail down in on that big wide flange instead of here. You know, we still got it underneath the tar paper, so we're still okay. But you know.
So what are those, roofing nails?
No, they're actual fascia nails.
Okay.
We're just gonna put them. These from sliding out. You
So
know, we got friction holding them in now, which is not good.
So what are these?
They're just self-tapping screws.
And they're a light color and they blend right in?
Yep.